Well, once again, everybody, it is now 10:02 and 10 seconds on October 3rd. This is the main drawing for the Fantastic Four 52. Over here on the left are the 24 filled spots. Going to roll the 3 dice. Went from 4 to a big number, 17. So, you're going to randomize 17 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. I will try my best to get it out in today's mail, October 3rd. Worst case, it will ship out tomorrow, the 4th. All right, let me just scroll down a second because I couldn't see the button. So here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and final one. 17. Spot 16, Aaron Grant. Congratulations. Time is 10:03 and 6